Alrighty, what is good, guys? Welcome to another video on the channel. Today's another trade recap. I went 2 L's today, unfortunately, but yeah, just got back from school. I just journal my trade. Just gonna get into this trade recap and post some other short form content. Let's get straight into it. Today, I came in bullish. As you can see, we're above all-time highs, and what I wanted to see really was like a deep retrace into this and look for longs out of this. And I'm gonna explain the first trade. I didn't take this trade. It was a short. It was against my bias, but I had conditions for shorts. But I just didn't take the short because I didn't have enough reason to, not enough confluences. But we're recording, yeah. So didn't have enough confluences, but on the 15-minute here, I noticed we have this 15-minute rejection block. Once we tapped into the CE of this rejection block, the consequent encroachment, I just noticed we made this SMT, and I was willing to enter short here to target, this sell side liquidity rate. This, I think it was an hourly. Yeah, this hourly right here, hourly low. I think it was a 2-minute inversion. Not again, bro. 2-minute inversion right here. Only reason why I didn't take it is because it just ran without me. So didn't take that trade. Unfortunate. Then I was looking for my longs, right? Here I noticed we just went down. We filled in. This was honestly an A+ setup for me. This was a really good setup. I'm glad I took this. And yeah, so here you notice we took out this hourly draw on liquidity here, but we didn't on ES, making SMT filling equilibrium of this range right here, this whole range. Mark it out just so you guys can. It's that green line right there. From this low to that high, right? Filling equilibrium. And then we also have a 4-hour, no, it's an hourly fair value gap right here, following with the 15-minute inside of it, this 15-minute gap. I just didn't mark it out because I didn't want it to get too cluttered. But we get all of this, and I'm like, damn, this is really good. We're getting a lot of good confluences in. We're getting a lot of good confirmation. Then I start seeing we get good momentum to the upside. I see this only 1-minute inversion right here. We didn't have a 2-minute nor a 3-minute. We had this 2-minute, but it was too small. Actually, now looking back at this, yeah, it would have been the same. Would have been the exact same. Oh my god, bro. I'm actually getting pissed. But yeah, after we're getting some good momentum, filling all these, getting the SMT, taking out an hourly draw, we get this 1-minute inversion. I used the MEC model today, and I would have went break even after we took out this internal high, and then like I said, the target was an unfulfilled 15-minute rate. Damn, where am I? I think it was this. It was not that 15. I moved it. It's whatever. No, I was looking at the wrong trade. Hold up. Yeah. Okay. You can kind of see it's right here. And you just max it out. There we go. Targeting this unfulfilled 15-minute right there. Pretty easy. It's a MEC model. I was super confident in this trade. I risked around 150 today, mostly because of we're trading all-time highs, and I'm still not accustomed to it. I'm still not used to trading at all-time highs, and yeah, I just want to do this mech model mostly because on my psychology, I rather have a high win rate and a low risk to reward, and that just makes me consistent. So I want to use these type of models because it gives me a low RR, higher win rate. So yeah, this was a very good setup. Unfortunate it failed. Unfortunately, we didn't get break even before, then we would have been all right on the day. Then coming to the second trade here. So first thing to note is that we have this 15-minute gap right here unfulfilled. We come into that gap, we take out London lows, and once we're in this gap, we start accumulating, right? We start accumulating from this whole range right here. Just accumulation. And I knew this was the PDI setup from PB trading, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. What I was waiting for here is from this accumulation, we also made an SMT with a 15-minute low. So I was like, bet if I get some the manipulation, if it's clean and we get a clean distribution, I'm willing to enter again. So we manipulate down. We also take out this hourly draw, hourly low, giving us a good reaction. We start getting some good momentum up. Then I entered again off of this 1 minute inversion. Boom, right there. We inversed there. And I entered. This was a very good setup. I was targeting, I think it was an unfulfilled 3 minute. Yeah, 3 minute right here for 1 to 112. It was a very, oh my God. So like today was kind of a mix of the mech model and the PDI model. And it was a very good setup, honestly. I liked it a lot. It hit a key level. I was respecting this 15-minute gap. Like you can see on this 15-minute right here, you see it went all the way down, took it out, and then went back up. It was giving good momentum here on the 1 minute. And I was confident in this trade too. But, oh yeah, stop loss below the inversion. But unfortunately, we got stopped out again. It barely went into profit, but that's all right. I'm still learning. But yeah, these two setups are very nice. After taking those 2 L's, I just locked myself out of the account because it's like if I'm taking another trade, I know it's going to be a half-assed trade, and it's not going to be a good setup. And my rules are take 2 trades a day. I lost 1 trade and I lost another. I'm off. If I win, I'm off, right? So 2 very good setups today. I really liked it. Unfortunate though that we got stopped out. It just dumped really, and unfortunately we weren't able to get into this trade right here because that would have been nice too. But how long is it recording right now? 8 minutes. All right. But yeah, on my paper trading account though, I did enter another one. I entered like after we took out all this, I was like, bet like it has to go up now, right? And once we come into this, we take out all these draws, right? We take out all these draws here. And once I took it out, I was like looking up and noticed this is a market maker buy model. Like we have all this here to, just go up and take out all-time highs again. But that wasn't the case. We just, as you can see, we just chopped. We're just chopping right there. Asia session's probably going to be ass. But on my practice account, I took a trade. I think it was after we took out all the draws, took out Asia lows, another hourly low, and we filled in this 4-hour gap. I was looking for some longs again. And I just, like I said, I'm glad I didn't take this on my real account because I half-assed this trade. But yeah, we got that. Started getting good momentum, and we inversed this 1 minute fair value gap, and I entered right there. Stops were below. Oh yeah, we also had an SMT with this hourly draw and Asia lows. So it's an alright setup, but I know I just don't need to take multiple trades a day. Stops were at this internal high right here. I mean, TP was at that internal high right there, and stop loss was below this SMT low. It was an alright trade. I took profit once we hit this, and I was already at break even, so did all that. But on the month so far, not so good. We're down 306. Whatever, we can come back from this, and hopefully we can get a payout by the end of this month, though, if we're consistent with risk management and everything. But yeah, we lost 270 today. Each trade I risked around 150 bucks or more. And yeah, I think that was good risk management today, mostly because I didn't know how to trade in these conditions, and it's good because I got like the experience and everything. So yeah, pretty good day today. I'm glad with these setups, even though I did lose. It was pretty good setups. And yeah, that basically concludes the trade recap. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Hope you guys like these videos. Leave down comments. And yeah, God bless y'all. Trade safe. Until the next one.